Hey YouTube fam, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, we are so happy to have you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So today's video is going to be something a little different. I'm going to be in the garden doing most of this process, but I'm going to be redoing our welcome sign. This is my third time redoing it. As you see, she's been a little rough. She's been out here for what, 2 years now since the first time I redid it. So she was holding on pretty good, but she's definitely needing a touch up. So I'm gonna just take y'all on the process with me to redo the welcome sign and show you guys how I do it. Here's Rallo. Hey Rallo. He's making sure we all good out here. But yeah, y'all, I redid everything, like this decoration I did myself. I put the letters on, painted all the letters. I also created the box at the bottom, put the decoration in here as well. These are fake greeneries, but it's actual dirt that's holding it on the inside of the box. I stained the whole board itself and also stained this. So let's get started, see how it looks. Okay, here's the current setup. So the first thing I have to do is go ahead and just spray paint my letters white. Again, even though the letters are already white, I'm just going to spray paint them again with another white coat just to make sure everything's good, and also to put that outside protection on it as well. Here's my other little letters for the Smith family. It's Bae in the cut. Bless you, Bae. He couldn't be quiet, y'all. But anyway, so this is not the best overall setup, but I'm just going to work with what I have. And we're just going to go ahead and spray paint the letters. Oh, no, you hold them, Bella. Don't worry about it. Nothing?
How you going to paint the part with your thumb?
Think I should lay it down? Yeah. On here? Okay, bring me the paper. You got bigger paper? Bear's coming up with a better idea for me. So he's just telling me, instead of holding it and spraying it, just lay down a bigger paper over this entire thing and then just spray all the letters, which technically that's a better idea. Okay, now that's done, and it says it's fast drying, so it shouldn't take long. I'm trying to see how long it says, but it don't say. And this is supposed to be a semi-gloss, so semi-glossy. Okay, so that's done. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to spray paint the smaller letters in the greenhouse because the wind is not blowing. I feel like y'all can hear me. I'm about to spray paint these smaller letters in the greenhouse because the wind is blowing outside and it will literally blow the small letters away if I do it out there. So we're going to do it here. I did just break my H in the process of moving these in here. Funny story, I broke the H on the one that's out there as well last time I did this, and I put it back together and it doesn't look like it, but either I'm going to have to do the same thing again this time, or Bae is telling me to just go buy some more letters. But I don't feel like doing that today, so I'm still going to spray paint this broke H and see what it looks like. And if it don't come out the way I want, then I'm going to buy another H. So let's go ahead and get started. Day 2, y'all. I have been letting these sit for about 2 days now. And the letters are pretty much dry. These small letters over here, my broke H still look like a regular H, so that's okay. So now, I'm just going to spray with the clear coat spray, and then just wipe the letters off with this rag. Y'all, so I still have the letters. The letters are all done. So now I just brought the board back here. See, some of the letters came off while I was bringing it back. But anyway, I got the board back here so I can go ahead and start taking all of this stuff off of it. And then I'm going to sand it down and then stain it with a new color. Y'all, so the board is finished. I have put 2 coatings of the stain on this, and I'm loving how the color looks. And also the box to match, it came out really nice, matches it perfectly. So now it's time to redecorate. I got all the words sitting on it. They're not glued down. I'm just trying to take a look at it and see, you know, make sure everything fits and stuff like that. All of my product, I have this bow. It's a wedding bow. All of the letters, the Gorilla Glue, and the greenery that I'm placed on it. All of the products came from not Home Depot, Hobby Lobby. Everything came from Hobby Lobby. The glue came from Home Depot. So that's the only thing that's out the blue. And we're going to go ahead and start getting it decorated. Alright y'all, we are all done and I'm really loving the way this one turned out, except for the fact that my M is crooked and it is really bothering me, but like I said, we're just gonna roll with it. But thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.